A lot of you out there ask me, CycleCruza, you know, I want to start a motovlog channel. You know, I want to be a motovlogger, or I want to start a YouTube channel. You know, how can I get started? How can I gain subs? How can I gain views? How did you get started, CycleCruza? What's up, man? Look, man, in this video, I'm going to keep it real with you guys.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
These keep my hands nice and toasty, but I do have a set of battery-powered heated gloves coming that I'm going to do a review on. So stay tuned for those. I'll include a link to these gloves and the new battery-powered ones I'm getting in the description and comment section of this video. Just hold down that button. It's got 3 settings on there. I always put it on the orange setting. It's perfect. Keeps them nice and toasty. Got my winter jacket on. I got my balaclava on. Keep my neck warm. And this Suwami MX Tour helmet that I have, which I'm getting a new helmet, by the way, that I'll do a review on as well. A new dual sport helmet that's going to be similar to this, where I can ride on the highway at fast speeds, and the visor doesn't catch wind, and it's fairly lightweight. And this new one's going to be Snell rated. But one thing I really like about these dual sport helmets is that I can put this little camera, this Sony camera here, on the underneath the visor, so as a backup camera, which I call a black box camera. And sometimes if my GoPro Hero goes out, I'll have this as backup. And I run these, by the way, I run these off of a power bank. And by the way, I have a new GoPro Hero 7 Black on my helmet now. I've always had one for a while now on my bike, which I was testing out for a while, and I really liked it, so I implemented it into my as a motovlogging camera, which has been fantastic. By the way, if you want to get the new GoPro Hero 7 Black that I have, I'll include that in the description and comment section of this video as well. I'll do a full review on that in another video. But I tell you guys, I've been motovlogging since May of 2012. So I've been doing it for like over 6.5 years, and May of next year will be 7 years. That's crazy. I've done over 1,200 like 1,250 videos or something like that. Crazy, man. And I have another channel which I abandoned. I haven't done that motovlogging channel. I have some over there, and I've got a Bug Eye Moto channel with a bunch over there. So I've been doing this for a while, and but I know it's very hard to get started with your YouTube channel. It's especially nowadays, it's extremely difficult. And I'm going to tell you how I got started, guys. I got started, Trolls actually helped me grow my channel. And I'll tell you guys, you know, a lot of people view me as being controversial. Some people even call me a hater because I keep it real. And a lot of people, they just can't handle real, you know what I'm saying? But back in the day before I was on YouTube, I used to get on forums, and I was, you know, run my mouth on there about different things like I do in my videos sometimes, and it would piss some people off. I even got banned from a few forums. But actually, it's the people, they put threads on me about my channel and making fun of, you know, when I first started out, which actually helped bring people to my channel. So thank you, trolls on them forums, for giving me my channel 300,000 subscribers, over 70 million channel views, average 50,000 views a day, channel views a day. And thank you very much. Because not just for that, but you helped me inspire a whole lot of people to get a motorcycle and get motivated and get over the fear of getting a motorcycle. That was the main reason I started my channel, is because there was so many people telling me how unsafe motorcycles were and detracting me from getting one. And then when I got one, I was so elated, and it helped cure any depression I had. It was fun. It was so exciting that I said, I gotta share this message on YouTube and share my full experience of riding all these different motorcycles, the gear, maintenance, my Bug Eye Moto van lifestyle, just like I said, that's why I call this the all-in-one motorcycle channel, because I try to do a little bit of everything. I've rode all the different kinds of bikes, you know, the cruiser, super sport, super bike, the starter bike. I got the dual sport, I got the super moto. In the future I may do one of them big adventure bikes, or maybe I'll do another cruiser in the future or something. I love all the motorcycles, and I think people misunderstand me and they think I hate on certain bikes. I'm not really hating on it, I'm just critical of some of the bikes, but I love all the two. You can put me on any motorcycle, even the little Grom that I made fun of. People get these Honda Groms because they're trendy, like skinny jeans, and I can find a way to have fun on that little bike, you know. And I'm sure it's a fun little crap around bike, but you know, don't get so sensitive about what I say, you know what I'm saying? Because I truly do love all motorcycles. I love scooters even, man. A lot of people hate on scooters, but I think scooters have their place and they're really cool, man. Especially when you go to like towns, like when I was in Key West back in the day, we rode scooters all day, had a blast, man. We snuck in hotels and swam in their pools. Which is basically trespassing. It is trespassing. And like I said, I love anything on even bicycles. I got that fold-up mountain bike. I did that video showing you guys a single track in the woods.
We got some corner action, dude.
My very first time on a single track with a mountain bike in our park system. Go check that video. I'll include that video link in the description and comment section of this video if you want to see that. But I've tried to mix it up with a lot of different things. And but yeah, guys, that's how my channel got started, though, is me getting banned from forums and them starting threads on me, and it helped build my channel up. Like they say, there's no such thing as bad press. It's all good press to me, baby. You keep hating on me. Go ahead and keep making some videos out there on YouTube and talk smack about me and say I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a troll, I'm a hater, or whatever. I love it. Do it, baby, because it brings more traffic my way, and I can motivate more people. And when people watch my videos, they see and understand that I'm just all about the love of motorcycles and really motivating people. And that's why I tell you guys, just because you crash, if you have a really horrific crash, don't give up on it if you can. If you can get back riding again, do it. Just understand that shit happens out here. I mean, it's just about having fun out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen to that sound. Listen.
Fuck, I love this shit.
Yeah, baby. We riding through hell town. I need to get me a dual sport, man. All right, baby, we got to do some stair action. Oh, man. Oh, man. I got some good at that time, baby. Let's get some slide action now. I've never mentioned anybody's name negatively in my videos. I've never called out any YouTuber. I try to keep it positive. Woo! Oh, man, look at all this salt out here. I don't know what's up with Ohio, man. They don't have nothing else to do. And then we got a little smattering of snow, and they put all this salt out here on the streets to rust our cars up. That's why in Ohio you see so many rust buckets. But anyways, guys, for those of you that want to help build your channel up, I don't recommend going to forums and running your mouth, even though I didn't do that purposely to try to gain any views or anything. Like I said, I didn't even have a YouTube channel when I started off, and I got banned from some forums. But what you do is you want to start a website and do proper SEO and start your YouTube channel and promote your website, and then do, of course, social media and everything, and promote your videos, and keep it real in your videos like I do, man. I keep it real, and I think a lot of you guys respect that I keep it real. You know, I'm not out here. You see a lot of motovloggers out here that review bikes, and every motorcycle they got is the best bike ever, the fastest, the coolest, the most fun, awesome. they don't want to say anything negative about any of the bikes because they fear pissing off people and losing viewers and, you know, and subscribers. I'm not like that, you know what I'm saying? Okay, off the line. Ah, shit. Smooth, comfortable riding position, but oh my god, it's so much slower than, you know, if I was really trying to make awesome gains with like subscribers and views and all, I would be like so many other moto vloggers and go do a tour around the country and meet up with all the bigger moto vloggers to help bring more views and subs, you know. I could have did that with my bug out moto van. You know, I've had people hit me up and say, hey man, you want to collaborate? And I just, honestly, it's not about not wanting to do that, but I just never been really, it just feels kind of phony, like I'm just collaborating with these people just to gain subs. I want to meet with people to just, let's have fun and talk about bikes and stuff. And maybe, I'm not big on riding with other people, but it is cool to ride occasionally with some people here and there and talk. I love talking with people about motorcycles and stuff. And I've met some fans out on the street. All right, there you go. All right. All right, man. A lot of you guys think that I'm just want to be alone. I'm this loner out here. Dude, I've met subscribers out here on the street that have spotted me even when I'm not on my bike, I'm in my bug out van. They say, hey, are you CycleCruza? I'm like, yeah, what's up, man? And this one guy, he built a bug out moto. He was inspired by me building a bug out moto van. He built a bug out van himself, and he was cool as heck, man. Everybody I met on the street that were fans of mine were cool as heck, and I enjoyed talking to them. I enjoyed meeting you guys out there. But anyways, guys, I wish you guys all the best out there. And for those of you guys that want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab, my videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,250 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate and hopefully find something that will inform you and entertain you. Hey guys, hit thumbs up, share this video, comment. I appreciate all you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my All On Motorcycle channel, and also go check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, that showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.